stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are, the way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change.
Happy birthday, Arlene. Cheers to the new chapter of your life.
Ikaw.
Happy birthday, tita!
Happy birthday, Tita Ayen.
Sa happy birthday sa tita kong kamukha ko daw. Na
I don't
maganda.
understand what you said. Just happy birthday for me.
Happy birthday! Sana maging kasing yaman mo sa Chris Aquino. Bye!
Ninang Arlene, happy birthday. Sana po ay kayo ay sapitin ng inyong kaarawan na malusog at masigla. Sana palagi kayong malakas, palaging nakangiti. Matupad niyo po sana ang inyong wish ngayong birthday ninyo. Salamat po sa pagpatnubay sa akin palagi. I miss you and enjoy your day. Ha? Happy birthday and see you soon.
Hello, Arlene. Happy 50th birthday. Words cannot begin to describe how deep and meaningful you are to my life. May you be blessed with happiness, love, and laughter on your special day and throughout the year. May you always know that you are loved and cherished by those who matter most to you. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear sister from a different mother. Wishing you all the best in this world. I love you. Happy birthday. Thank you very much. I'm forever grateful sa mga tulong mo sa akin noon. Kung hindi sa'yo, wala ako dito. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday.
Hello po Ma'am Arlene, happy birthday po sa inyo. Ma'am, I wish you all the best and I wish you good health. Ingat po palagi Ma'am. I hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Arlene.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Arlene.
Happy 50th birthday. Gusto ko lang sabihin na
thank you sa guidance mo palagi dati nung bago pa lang ako sa doctors. Isa ka sa mababait at mabuting head nurse na naging head ko sa Lucena United Doctors. May God bless you always and may He give you more wonderful years and healthy years of life, and God bless you and Sir Elmer at sa family mo at sa mga bata. Happy birthday, ma'am. Thank you for everything. We love you. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Arlene. This message coming from Nigerian KSA. Anyway, enjoy your day. You are always surrounded by precious friends and families. So, keep being on sassy and beautiful as you are as before. So, I miss you, friend. Even if we are not communicating well, I'm still here. Love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Ma'am Arlene. Hindi naman po halata sa inyo. Mukha pa rin bata. Tapos ma'am, thank you po sa lahat ng opportunities at saka patience sa amin. Napakahabang patience sa aming lahat na staff mo nun sa NS1. Isa yun sa unforgettable moment ko na magkakasama tayo doon na kahit pagod, kahit na marami tayong patience, masaya pa rin tayo. Thank you po sa lahat ng opportunities nyo, saka nabigay nyo sa amin, saka sa patience nyo, ma'am. Sana po maging healthy kayo lagi, at saka pagbalik namin dyan, magkasama-sama tayo. And see you soon po, ma'am. Happy 50th birthday po ulit.
Happiest birthday, Ma'am Arlene. I wish you all the best in life, Ma'am Arlene. Good health, more success, and more birthdays to come. I really miss you so much, Ma'am Arlene. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for everything you've done. Thank you for being a great head nurse to me during our LUDHMC days. And thank you for being our second mom. Sobrang napaka-understanding mo sa amin. Kahit noong mga times na yun, medyo matitigas ang ulo namin at isip bata kami. Pero you still here na umiintindi para sa amin. Sobrang napakabuti mo, Ma'am Arlene. And thank you very much kasi no dull moments kapag kasama ka. Naalala ko ng mga times na lagi ka nagkikwento ng mga ganap or mga kaganapan dyan sa LUDHMC, and ikaw yung nagsisilbi naming gabay at patnubay kasi talagang alam mo lahat ng mga nangyayari, but doon ako napapabilib sa Ma'am Arlene. But kidding aside, yun nga, pero to be honest, Ma'am Arlene, sobrang ina-admire kita sa pagiging mabuting ina sa iyong mga anak, and napakabuti mong asawa kay Sir Elmer. And sobrang napakabuti mo rin sa amin kasi nandyan ka palagi. Talagang nagsisilbi ka rin pangalawang ina namin. Kaya sobra kaming thankful doon, and napaka-generous mo na tao. Kaya naman sobrang deserve mo lahat ng mga blessings na dumarating sa buhay mo. And ayun, I really miss you so much, and namimiss ko na yung mga kwentuhan natin at yung mga tawanan natin. Ayun, God bless you, Ma'am Arlene, and see you soon. Sana magkaroon ulit tayo ng bonding together ng NS2 family. I love you, Ma'am Arlene, and have a great day.
Happy 50th birthday, Ma'am Arlene. God bless you, and well done for reaching this milestone. We're very thankful to know you as our mentor, as a friend. Please know that we really miss you and all the rest of our colleagues. Back then, we do really miss you all, and we hope that one day we'll catch up and see each other. Happy birthday, and God bless you and your family abundantly.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Arlene. It's your 50th birthday, pero mukha ka pa rin 25. So, hopefully, ma-enjoy nyo po ang inyong birthday celebration with your family and friends. We're sad that we're not there to join you, pero we celebrate in spirit po all the way from New Zealand, and hopefully before you turn 60 you get to come to New Zealand, and we'll tour you around. We'll definitely tour you around. So happy birthday, and we are always grateful to have known you and for all the memories and all the friendship and teachings that we learned from you. We love you very much, and happy birthday! Bye!
Hi, Tita Yan. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day and spend it with the people you love. Bye-bye.
Hi, happy 50th birthday, Tita Yan. I hope you have a great day and I'm wishing you the best. Bye!
Hello, Ayan. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Ayan. Happy 50th birthday. I love you. Enjoy your day. I miss you all.
Hi, Ate! Surprise! Happy birthday! Make sure to enjoy this day. Kasi this is your day. Deserve na deserve mo to. And I'll take this opportunity na magpa-thank you sa'yo sa lahat ng support na binigay mo sa amin. Especially when my mom and dad passed. It was hard. Feeling ko sobrang mas naging mahirap siya kung wala ka. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako. Na-appreciate ko yun. Kasi you were there at our lowest. Andun ka rin nung mataas yung emotions namin. We just take it all in. And wala akong nakinig na complaint. So, maraming salamat. Na-appreciate ko yun. You didn't judge us. And tandaan mo, andito lang ako para sa'yo. Andito lang kami. Nakaalalay din sa'yo. Ang mahal kita, mahal ka namin, and enjoy mo tong araw na to. Ha? Enjoy this day, have a good one. Happy birthday ulit. Ha? Make sure to be a Disney princess today. Okay? I love you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Tita Arlene. I hope you enjoyed your day. And all of our family members love you, and I love you very much. Bye!
Hi Arlene, happy birthday. I'm glad that despite our distance and being across the world, I get this chance to greet you on your special 50th birthday. How time flies, diba? Dati-dati is celebrating our 20th, 30th, and now big 50. Hope you are enjoying today. You are a fabulous wife to Elmer, a wonderful mom to your kids, and obviously a fantastic person to all. So you deserve this day, this special day. So hope you have an amazing day, collect more fun memories, and keep on smiling. Hope to catch up a bit longer next time I see you, and hopefully that will be next year. Again, happy birthday, okay, and have fun. Bye! Love you!
Ma'am Arlene, maraming salamat po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa mga naiambag ninyo sa aming taga NS1, sa aming profesyon na bilang nurse. At napakagaling na head nurse namin at napaka-aruga at mabait na ina sa kanyang mga anak. Happy 50th po, Ma'am Arlene. Enjoy your day. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you po sa lahat.
Hi, Ma'am Arlene. Happy birthday. Many birthdays to come. Baka naman.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday!
Ma'am Arlene.
Mom, Ali!
Blow.
Happy birthday, mate!
Happy birthday, Arlene! Kumusta na? Wow, golden birthday mo na pala. Wish you all the best in life, happiness, stay young, and pretty as you are. God bless you. Hope to see you soon.
Kill mo lang ang buhay. Stay young, stay pretty. Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday, Arlene. God bless you.
God bless Arlene and
God
to
bless
your family
family
as well.
Okay, regards.
Regards to
Bye-bye.
everyone.
Happy birthday.
Bye.